If your Ford Ranger refuses to crank over, don't panic. Here is how to find the root cause in just a few minutes. Statistically, 8 out of 10 no-start issues on Rangers are caused by simple electrical faults rather than mechanical engine failure. Let us break down the diagnostic process, starting with the most basic components. Always prioritize safety by disconnecting the battery before cleaning terminals and checking for loose or corroded ground straps. Focus your attention on these three areas, as they account for the vast majority of starting failures in Ford trucks. If the battery is solid, check the starter motor or fuel delivery system, which often requires a bit more testing. You can handle most minor electrical fixes at home, but mechanical internal failures definitely belong in a professional shop. This chart shows the average repair costs, keeping in mind that batteries are significantly cheaper to replace than starter assemblies. When basic checks fail, use an OBD-I scanner and a multimeter to pinpoint hidden electrical gremlins or fuel pressure drops. Keep these essential tools in your kit, as they cover most of the common repairs your Ford Ranger might ever need. Remember, if you hear grinding, stop immediately to avoid expensive internal damage. Thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe for more troubleshooting guides to keep your Ranger running smooth.